What's up everyone? Just wanted to do a quick video. There was no live entertainment on Friday night, which that sucks because I went out there trying to get some live entertainment stuff. I guess this starts on the 5th, I heard now. I'm not sure. I'm going to try and get out there the first night live entertainment does start so I can get some interviews and things like that. I got a couple videos of the Eisenhower and the Rohan Rec Centers along with the outside of the the new Woodworking Center that they're putting up just east of Brownwood. So we'll check those out today, and then I'll be trying to get the live music as soon as I can. I will do a live video while we're out there on YouTube, and also if you're not on the Facebook page Village's Video, definitely jump on that because we'll be doing some live videos out there with Facebook, and that'll be more interesting than the YouTube stuff that we do that's live. But check that out and we'll see you there. Alright, so for reference, this area is the Rohan Rec Center area just north of Highway 44 and east of Morris Boulevard. They're doing a little bit of construction here. This is the north end of the Chitty Chatty Bridge. You can see right there in the bottom left of your screen, that's the Chitty Chatty Bridge, the start of it. And this is the Rohan Rec Center. So the Rohan Rec Center, this is where they do like the welcoming events for new villagers and their renters each month. Other than that, it's just a typical rec center. You'll see all these pickleball courts, the tennis courts. The big difference I saw with this rec center compared to the other ones when they actually built this one was the outside gym and fitness area, because they have several things where you can walk around and do pull-ups and things like that around here. But you have the shuffleboard courts and all of that type of thing. And then once we go to the other side over here, you'll be able to see the pool. There's several events going on at the Rohan Center, the Rohan Rec Center, just like every rec center. But like I said, the major one is the actual welcoming event. And then we're headed toward the pool. You can see the Chitty Chatty Bridge right there. And that leads right into the Chitty Chatty area. I'm guessing that the ramp on the side of this bridge is for that effect, by the way, for the welcome events, so people can jump on golf carts and head that way. Now this area right here is the new wood workshop, which is under construction. This is just across the street from the Eisenhower Rec Center. They're actually working on the inside of it now, doing some insulation. Most of the walls are up on the inside, from what I can tell on the webpage. But they're doing a lot of the framing and the walls, insulation, and you can see what they have outside. I'm assuming this back end right here is going to be where the entrance is. But they're doing a lot of things inside the building right now, and maintenance type things to get this wood shop going. I know a lot of people are interested in this wood shop. I actually talked to a guy the other day that stopped us in the Bradford area and told us about some of the things that he's looking forward to when that shop opens. So that's pretty exciting. Then we're going to shoot across the street over here to the Eisenhower Rec Center. Now this is my favorite rec center because of what they offer inside. They do a homage to the military, and the outside of the rec center is very similar. You can see Brownwood Lofts right there in the top right of your screen, and this is about probably a half mile from the Brownwood Square. This facility was the first one that they built that did not have a fitness facility in it, because they were inviting MVP down to the Brownwood Square. And I think that's why they built the Rohan outside facility, where they have a few exercise things for people to take advantage of. But you'll be able to see right here the 5 branches of the military. They'll probably have to add another one for Space Force, but they have the Army, Navy, Marines, Air Force, and the Coast Guard right around the flagpole here. And this is the rec center itself. So the inside, they have a bunch of military memorabilia and the history lined up. It's really cool. If you've never been to the Eisenhower Rec Center, it's one of my favorites. I would suggest going. Really appreciate you guys watching the video. Remember, if you are interested in seeing the live stuff from the first night of entertainment, check out the Facebook page at Villages Video, and make sure you give us a like, subscribe, comment on what you'd like to see, and we'll see you in the next one.